begin servicing, turn the knob counterclockwise until the notch lines up with the unlocked padlock symbol. Using the tabs on the side of the bubble trap cover, gently pry the cover from the flow body. With the bubble trap cover removed, replacement of the knob is now possible. Using the Allen wrench, completely loosen the shoulder bolt from the center of the knob. Remove the threaded stud from the flow body using the wrench. The slot on the inside of the flow body will keep the threaded stud from turning. Push the threaded stud through to the inside of the flow body and remove. Install a new threaded stud from the inside of the flow body. Thread the new nut onto the stud and tighten. With the new shoulder bolt in hand, stack the new wave washer and the new flat washer. Once stacked properly, put the new shoulder bolt into the new knob. Set the knob over the threaded stud and thread the shoulder bolt into position, then tighten. Once properly tightened, make sure the knob is in the unlocked position to then install the bubble trap cover. Using water, lightly wet the O-ring. This will help to ease installation into the bubble trap pocket. To install, dip the bottom of the cover into the pocket. Make sure the metal pin seats into the cover. Once seated, gently tip the rest of the cover into place. Once the cover is seated against the knob, rotate the knob clockwise to the locked position.